Hey guys, welcome once again to the next episode of the Next Well Trading Hub YouTube Mentorship Program. You guys must understand that in this YouTube Mentorship Program, we're going to take you guys through the very basics to the advanced technical knowledge you need to understand about the Forex markets. So this mentorship is actually well structured, and then it's going to be very resourceful and contribute to your proficiency in analyzing the Forex market, in understanding the technicalities, and also in understanding certain terms that are being used in the Forex trading markets. So guys, in this episode, we are actually going to be looking at the Forex broker. But before we actually head to the contents of this particular episode, if you're new to this YouTube channel and you really want to be staying updated with the coming episodes in this YouTube mentorship program, then this is actually the time for you to click on the subscribe button to be part of this community. So guys, let's look at who are the Forex broker. In the last episode, we looked at the Forex players, and then I made known to us that in the next episode, we're going to look more into the Forex broker, and then we're going to journey further into coming into the technical perspective and aspects of the Forex markets. So who are the Forex brokers? We must understand that the Forex brokers are actually the link between traders and the network of banks or institutions that have access toward Forex liquidity. So the Forex broker are actually like the middlemen between retail traders and the financial institutions that have high Forex liquidity. So these Forex brokers actually, they give access to foreign exchange markets and leverage for all retail traders to trade with, and also for other professional traders who also can be classified into the retail categories. So that is actually the role and the function and the importance of Forex brokers. So they are actually the link between the trader and the network of banks or institutions that have access to Forex liquidity. So I want you guys to understand that before you start trading Forex, you should make sure that you educate yourself and verify that your broker is actually reputable. Because you must understand that in every business models, there are ups and downs, there are pros and cons. And then you might have certain individuals that might come up with an institution, that might come up with a firm or a business company as brokers, but are not really out there for the good of the traders out there. So you must make sure that you educate yourself and verify that your broker is actually reputable. So who really then are these brokers? Just the way we've looked at that they are the links between traders and the interbanks or financial institutions. So you can see that we have different brokers. So I just mentioned very few over here. We have brokers like Deriv, the XNES, the HF markets, FXTM, IC markets, FBS, IQ option, and Opto FX. So all these guys are Forex brokers. They are actually platforms you can register as a trader, and then you have access to be able to trade the Forex markets. So they actually give you the opportunity to use the little capital you have and be able to trade alongside financial institutions and high professional traders. So you can do well to check more on the internet on certain brokers that you can possibly want to open an account with and then begin your trading career, journey, professional business with. So guys, we're going to look at the criteria for selecting a broker. So one of the criteria in selecting a broker is that that broker must be regulated by a good authority. Yes, it must. The broker must be regulated by a good authority, because you must understand that regulation helps to ensure that the funds of trading clients are protected and that the trading conditions are actually desirable. must understand that brokers have to comply with the rules and regulation set by the authority for them to be regulated. So you can see the advantage why you must know that your broker should be registered with these bodies. They should be members of certain financial institutions that regulate the operations in the Forex markets. So some of these financial institutions, you can see them listed on the screen. You can see that you have the Financial Conduct Authority, you have the Monetary Authority of Singapore, Australian Securities and Investments Commission, and Commodities and Future Trading Commissions. These are all regulatory bodies. So for you to check if a broker is regulated or not, you can do your research on the broker's website and then double check the official website of the regulatory body to be sure. As I've already shown you guys regulatory bodies, there are other more you can also make research on in the internet. So the next criteria in selecting a broker is you have to check the customer experience. So you have to test out if a broker cares about their customer. Yes. How then do you test that? You should make an attempt to send them an email and observe the duration it takes for them to get back to you. So next you must actually know in actually selecting a broker is that they must have a stable platform. You don't want to trade with a broker whereby your platform is not stable. It can be up today and then off tomorrow. So you want to trade with a broker that their platform is stable, their services are effective, there are no glitches in certain execution of trading tasks in their platform. So you must also check out how easy and fast is their withdrawal. Yes, you must check how easy and fast is their withdrawal. That is very important. How fast do they process their withdrawal? How fast do they actually carry out your transactional operations in their platform? You must look out for those things. So these are things you can possibly check out the frequently asked section of certain brokers to see what the customers are asking and then the response they are actually getting. So next you must actually look out for is the cost of trading. This is very important because brokers' spread and commission charges are important factors to consider, but not the only factor to consider, as many new traders and even old traders consider at times. Yes, it is very important to consider the cost of trading with a certain broker, but you must understand that it's better to pay a slightly higher spread in exchange for a more reliable broker. So as we continue further, you're going to check and understand what really a spread stands for, and you're going to check and understand about margin and certain terms like leverage. So next criteria you must certainly and must understand and look out for in selecting a broker is actually fast trade execution. How fast does it take for your trade to be activated with this certain broker? If it takes more than 3 to 5 seconds for your trade to be executed, then the service of that broker is actually too slow. Then next you must check is actually the suitable account type. This is very important. You must ensure that the broker offers reasonable leverage or margin requirements. Yes. So I said in the next episode, we're going to look at leverage and also margin. So you must ensure that the broker offers reasonable leverage or margin requirements. You must ensure that they offer the pairs of assets you're looking forward to be trading. So when we move further, you are going to look at the different asset classes in the Forex markets. And then you must ensure they offer the opportunity to trade micro and mini lots, especially if you want to start trading with a small account. It is very important and very vital. So we're going to look at micro and then mini lots when we move further in coming episodes. So you really want to stay updated and gain value from this free YouTube mentorship program, then you should do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So next you must look out for in selecting a broker is the provision of educational contents. This is also very important. No matter how enlightened you are about the Forex markets, knowledge is something that is progressive. So therefore it is important that platforms provide the relevant information, educational resource that their clients need to be able to excel in that particular business that they are going into or that they are in already. So you must understand that brokers who provide free information to their clients shows an interest in the good of their clients for the client's trading career or business. Good brokers ensure that their market analysis and research material are of top-notch quality, and this shows that they care about their clients. So these are the criteria you must set out to look out for in selecting a Forex broker. So in the next episode, we're going to look further into basic currency pairs, how to read currencies. We're going to look at lot sizes, spread, margin, and leverage. So see you guys in the next episode.